This meditation focuses on the inspection of the senses as they are presented to us by raw existence. Without stories, without models, but with direct experience as our only guide. This meditation is like an anchor to being. It's a method that you can practice whenever you feel distant from yourself. A method of grounding in what is fundamental. Let's begin. Sit in a relaxed position with your head slightly raised. The torso upright, your chest lifted, and your shoulders comfortably resting. Your back can lean on some support, such as the back of a chair or a pillow. Your body should be firm but relaxed, and your breath should flow effortlessly. Keep your limbs resting where it suits you. Take a deep, slow breath. Exhale gently and bring your awareness to this moment, to your immediate experience. Observe the sounds of the surrounding environment. How they appear out of nowhere and how they fade to nowhere. Now pay attention to your field of vision, either with your eyes closed or open. If you take a sudden look around you, images will show up and then vanish, just like sounds. Tactile senses, the ones you feel with your skin, remain relatively stable now that you stay in one spot. But nonetheless, they still change form. As time goes by, some sensations change intensity, while others may pop up from nowhere. For example, and it may appear on your skin and then fade. Observe those tactile sensations from the bottom up, one by one. From your thighs and buttocks to your back and shoulders. Now focus on the senses of smell and taste. Do you have a distinct taste in your mouth? Stay with it for a while. Do you smell a specific odor? Just observe it. Do not make sense of it. Do not try to classify it. Just remain with crude reality. What do you feel on an emotional level? Notice the physical dimension of emotion, whatever it is that you feel. Try to detach the feeling from the label that your mind sets on it. Do not name it, nor positive or negative, nor pleasant or unpleasant. Raw existence does not care for your judgments. Only your mind does. And since I said mind, let us come to it. Observe your mind as you would observe the rest of your senses. You may have the impression that the mind is different from the other senses or emotions, but this is far from true. It is just like the other senses, but doesn't feel so tangible. The contents of the mind come and go very fast. Can you really tell where thinking happens? Thoughts always change form. You can either concentrate on them or let them operate in the background, just like any other sense. And as we said, they pop up out of nowhere and leave to nowhere. Stay with your mind for a while. Listen to your thoughts as you listen to the noises of the environment. Look at the abstract images your mind creates as you watch the forms in your field of vision. Move through your senses in whichever order you want. Are they still there? They are all happening at the same time, don't they? Have you ever wondered, where does all this take place? Do not seek to solve this with your mind. As we mentioned before, the mind is just another stimulus within your perception. So really, where does all these stimuli, feelings, thoughts, images, sounds, flavors and scents take place?